Well, as of today, November the 17th, we are now at our longest streak on record in Denver without seeing even a single snowflake for us. So, what does that mean? Is that different from measurable snow? Yes, there's a difference, and I'll explain that here. But the big takeaway, we've gone 212 days since April the 19th without seeing a single snowflake falling from the sky. That is our longest such streak on record, and records go back over 140 years for us in the Denver area on that. I think the bigger takeaway from this is that usually by now we've had a couple of close calls. So, for example, it might rain, flip over to snow, and in a few areas, say Castle Rock or in Boulder or out by the airport somewhere, we get a few flakes, but just doesn't measure up. That we haven't seen that yet. That's the unusual part of things. Does that make sense? We haven't had any close calls yet in the Denver area, and that's, I think, the big takeaway from this streak. Final thing I'll note, that this is different from measurable snow, and that's part of the reason why I haven't talked about it a whole lot yet, is because measurable snow is kind of the official metric for whether or not it snowed, right? That means it piled up to at least a tenth of an inch or more officially at Denver International Airport. We are at our fourth longest, latest first snow on record for us in Denver, and that is based on measurable snow. So just to kind of clarify things, snowflakes, longest such streak on record without seeing a single snowflake in Denver, but we are at our fourth latest first measurable snow on record for us in Denver. We'll likely cross into the top three later on this week, but our longest streak on record without snowflakes in Denver.